Scratch at it, part 2. This time we're putting the Mark 5 Golf GTI versus the Audi TT based on spec and overall condition. I'm feeling confident about this one.
Minus paint, because you've had paint. So
no, honestly,
he's cheated on paint, so we'll forget about the lack of peel.
Well, I'll tell you what,
TT today.
Before we get into it, let's get the results from round 1.
Stop saying boys.
No, sorry, getting a bit too much.
Right, ready?
Do we need a little speech here? I hope that I have and can rely on my fellow 20 valve community. Let me not be disappointed now.
So this is based on the YouTube comments only.
Been through them, tick them all.
Because there's loads, isn't there?
There's loads, aye. So I've sat this morning doing all of them. Aye, this is it. And believe it or not,
that's before. Tell your mother.
What's this, man? Right, sorry. Believe it or not, there was 2 between it. 2 votes between the whole lot. You ready?
Yeah.
No, let's go.
It's going to be a nightmare to live with this week, like. But.
I can sleep easy tonight.
Oh,
so I'll keep this.
What are you playing at, man? What are you doing?
I coloured it in pink as well, just.
I see what you've done. You coloured it in pink because I'm a hairdresser. Obviously.
So then 2 votes were obviously Bryn and Bill Brockbank, yeah?
Well, need I say it anymore? You know, the community is with me. It's about the community and the spirit within the community, and it just doesn't exist with you.
Are you team titty or not? Anyway, let's get on with this video then. So, Mark 5 Golf GTI versus Audi TT based on spec and condition.
I think we need to talk about this a little bit.
We don't, man.
I'll put this on the window so we can see this. Can we get this laminated in a sticker? Can we make this a sticker?
Oh, we'll make that a sticker, alright.
We'll just take this as the first win of many.
Team
Titty for the win.
So how on spec? So let's have a look. We're going to use the same spec list for this. The Parker's Guide. Have you got your phone?
Yeah.
You can tell what plant this, can't you? So come on then, power out of the factory.
So power 225.
I don't believe you. Have you ever known one of them make 225?
Yeah.
So
many times.
Mark 5 Golf GTI 197.
Oh, I can't even do 200.
No.
You may as well have got a Honda Civic.
I know, but let's face it, I can carry more. Plus, what's the weight on yours?
Right, so we'll go to the. Well, do you not want to do torque?
No, we'll go for the weight.
Go for the weight.
Actually, why don't we do torque first? So power, you have more power than me.
Yeah.
But the torque,
280 Newton meters.
280 Newton meters as well. So you've got more power, but I've got the same amount of torque. You're using more energy, but I've got the same amount of torque.
That's basically like you gassing. You use more energy and it gets eventually to
do the same job.
Yeah.
Right, okay. So different power, same torque. This is where it all matters though. What's the weight, Spencer? What's the weight?
Weight 1465 kg.
1328.
Well, that's kind of heavy, that. And that got 4-wheel drive.
That's like suggesting you have the same power as me. I weigh less.
Only by a little. So it's 2 people in that be the same.
You went a bit TFSI there.
See, it's catching tip of SSI.
So really, you're carrying 100
One person
plus kilograms.
Just one person.
100 odd kilograms is a heavy person.
It's about me.
Right, so
You just so it's like I'll drive that on my own, and then it'll be like me and you in that. So yeah.
I don't know where you're going with this one. Amount of people you can carry. I've won this one.
Doors, seats, four seats, four.
5. There's not 4 seats in there. Like.
There's not. It says 4 seats on here. There's 4 seats.
Honestly.
So
right.
You've got 1 more seat.
Right, we'll get onto that obviously. Engine size 1984, 1781. I think that's about right.
Valves. I've got more valves. That's better.
You've got more valves.
Yeah. uncooked.
So really, if you're making the same torque and you've got more valves, it's a bit of a waste, really, isn't it? That is highly inefficient.
miles to gallon, that has to be better than that.
What's the miles to gallon? Then? I don't even know. Where
Oh, look at this one. Oh, 4-wheel drive, and you don't have that 4-wheel drive.
Well, that will help you on the farm. Miles to gallon, miles to gallon.
Hang on, it's got.
Come on, miles to gallon.
Miles to gallon, miles to gallon. Fuel.
There you go. What's that?
30.
30. That was pretty good back in 2001. 35.
Rubbish!
35.
Rubbish! That doesn't do that. Right, get Christopher for this, because Chris has been driving this car, as you well know, and that does not do 34.
I tell you what, let's get the official adjudicator of 20 valves and T for size. Chris,
Yeah.
what does the best miles to gallon?
20 valves. Yes!
Right, let's get rid of the specs.
No, we'll keep going, No. I'm winning now. I'm just getting to the good bit.
Come on then.
It's 4-wheel drive.
Is that all you've got? Oh well, all hairdressers need 4-wheel drive,
Oh, it
don't they?
actually gives you luggage capacity. What's your luggage capacity?
Luggage capacity.
Yeah, luggage capacity.
Is that down there? 350 litres. 220. 220 grams maybe. No chance. Right, so the specs...
We're not talking about the drugs that it can carry.
What I think this shows is that the cars are very similar in terms of performance. You know, you've got a bit more power, but you weigh more. So I think they're very well suited. What we need to do is we need to have a look at the overall condition of these and see who chose the best version of that car. So let's do that. Why don't we start with the TT? Open that bonnet.
Loose plastic.
Yeah, I mean, Christ, look at this. It's falling apart.
No, it isn't. It's missing the screw from there.
I bet that rattles on.
No, it does not. It doesn't. Look at that. So it needs the little bones. It's plastics.
Just
Plastic. Stop pulling at things to break them.
What's that? That's. Oh, is that a vacuum leak? The engine's not even running, it's leaking.
It's hissing.
It's hissing, yeah. It does look in alright condition in here, I have to give you that. Nothing looks too bad.
It hasn't been molested at all. Why don't we just take that off? We'll take that off.
Oh! What is that?
That's the first one.
Check that out.
Well, we'll not pull on it to make it worse.
Choo choo!
Put a bit of tape on there, be fine.
Look at this, it looks like Darth Vader's respirator from the inside.
It does, doesn't it?
No, it's just too much there.
It is like...
And that runs alright without.
Runs mint.
Does it?
Huh?
There's no like, you know, flutters or anything like that?
No.
You were lucky.
No.
That must be blocked then.
Possibly it's a bit squidgy.
Bit of oily grime around here. Looks like it could do with a rotor cover gasket. Standard stuff really. I think on the face of it, it looks like a pretty good example.
A breather pipe. A breather.
Yeah, I think it looks a good example. Obviously a lot of plastic under these, but then I'm expecting that on mine as well. Engine bay, I think it looks alright.
Looks beautiful. It's a 20 bar.
These are a bit misty. Does any light comes out of them?
These... Ah, yeah, these are how the car come. What were yours? I'm sure. I like that. And what did you you had them polished. Ah, yeah.
I think Chris got it done while they had it.
Rubbish.
Not me.
Rubbish. Right, get the bonnet open. Come on. I can't even see now. What's that?
That is FSI turbo. That's loose. Oh, that is a bit loose, isn't it?
No. What's that? What's that? You can't hear that when you drive?
I just thought that was
Really?
induction roll. That is a little loose, isn't it?
Yeah. Actually, on the noises. Start it up. Turn it on.
Start it up.
Yeah, turn it on.
Why?
What? Turn it on.
What?
Turn it on.
Sure, I don't see where you go with this one.
Oh, do you know? Turn it on. Give it a little rev. A little rev. No, one. It sounds a little...
It sounds a bit...
Or is that the TFSI just flutter?
Does it sound it from there, does it?
Yeah.
That's mad because the exhaust's on the other side. I have got a little bit of a split in the back box, so there is a little below. I'll give you that.
Mechanically, we've got rattly, we've got a split. Is there anything else we're hiding now?
Well, there's not a little cover on this rear wiper as well.
Alright, I'll give you that piece of plastic.
Yeah.
You know.
To be honest, it's like the price you pay for having a better car.
Oh, better car.
It is.
Oh, well, shall we go back to the rattle under the bonnet, the rattle at the back? What was wrong with mine? Oh, a little split in the pipe.
A little split. There was no pipe left?
Tiny.
What's this?
That's what you know, that's to be repaired, just like what you had repaired. This is not to be taken into consideration, is this?
Alright, is standard bad? Is that an S-line TT? Bloody Spence line, that's a
No, stop picking my mother away,
No, we're gonna bounce between because I think you're done, to be honest, like.
Oh, I'm not done. Bolster's got a little wear hole. What you had in there? A mouse? Has there been a mouse in there? You got a pet mouse?
It was fine before Chris got it.
Oh, Chris to blame. No, it was immaculate, wasn't it? So we'll have a look at my interior. Forget about banging your head when you get in, and you can smell luxury.
You can smell luxury, can you?
Sports car, that's what you can smell, can't you?
It is a pretty good example, I'll give you that.
Lovely place to be.
Aye,
Just beautiful.
for 1.5 people.
4 seats, Spec said.
I assure you, I'm a normal-sized human being.
No, he's not. He's got extra long legs. He's 6'7". He's 6'7", really.
How the hell?
That's the seat going forward.
That's it. That is the seat forward.
There's loads of room there. Right, just get in and shut up. Right, put your feet down there.
Right, now try and put the seat back. Yep.
Right, sit, put your bum back.
Right, I'll sit straight. Look at this.
Right, get the hacksaw, get these legs off.
It's the only way that I would get in here.
Alright, so the seat is for the smaller gentleman.
Jesus, wept.
You know.
Can we at least agree that this only has 2 seats?
No.
It only has 2 seats.
You've just sat on the back seat, what are you talking about?
There's no chance that.
You've just sat in it.
I think the top and bottom of it is you've got a good example of it, but it's a 2-seater car.
That's a back seat.
Not mine.
It's got seatbelt. You're not going to put seatbelt on your Aldi bag.
It just goes to show that Audi were just as deluded as you.
Not at all.
Terrible.
It's, you know, the smaller framed adult child.
Right. I think we need to wrap this up. So, what would you choose? Mark 5 Golf GTI. It's modern. It's family friendly. It's usable. There is a few little common issues with it, but I think they are little. It's a brilliant drive. The performance matches that with less weight.
Can't possibly match it. It's 4-wheel drive.
I think that's a good car. That is a good car if it's 2001 and you cut hair.
No.
No, I think you've got a good car. It's a good spec. It's good condition.
So what? It's not just about family. It's how it makes you feel. It's how you get in there and you feel luxury and you feel connected. You forget about banging your head when you get in. That's part of the.
You forget about the fact that you've had to chop your kids' legs off to get in.
That's part of the connection and the feel and the purity of the drive and position. I don't know.
So much crap, doesn't it? Anyway, so let me know.
Quick shift gears. It's not about the children, man. It's all right. Send them off to grandma's.
There you go, kids. It's not about you. You're not important. Let's wrap this one up. Mark 5 Golf GTI versus Audi TT based on spec and condition. Let me know in the comments what you think, and we'll see who wins this round.
No, but straight away though, when we're on about condition, discount any paintwork, because obviously he cheated and we've come to terms with him cheating, so we can't, for the minor little scabs, discount the TT.
He's trying to get your vote based on sympathy, which is a bit...
No, it's not on sympathy. It's trying to just demonstrate you're a cheating, horrible toad burglar. How where?
And on that note, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.